the street, can't stall nor defeat. 2030 we still a do it. Every stage show we still a keep. Every big song they repeat. Them a
Hi guys, welcome back to the Sauna room, where we keep you updated with good things happening for Jamaica and Jamaicans. Now today I want to talk about this lovely lady called Mikayla Koffee Simpson. Now she is only 17 years old, a songwriter, a singer, and we don't know, we call them singjay here in Jamaica. She's from Spanish Town, and her mission is to preserve Jamaican roots, culture in music, and empower the youth of her generation through her creativity and artistry.
No, some of us have a proper on that, but man them sit down a flash and attack the reggae music, causing the commotion when the music.
No more bigger up because she's been endorsed by Cocoa Tea, Chronics, and me here up on the radio a lot, pan Mellow FM, pan Irie FM. She have gone with a bag of things. She was introduced to the market when Usain Bolt retweeted his tribute to a tribute that she did to him, and she blew up ever since. She have a song right now called Burning, which I burn up the place. It's mad. But the good news is she has just been signed to Culumbia Records in the UK. This is so big. At 17 she was not in school, meaning she was not going to college or anything. She just focused on music, and I want us to just endorse her, follow her Instagram, buy her music and everything, share with the other Jamaicans so they can do the same. Big up on a damn self. Leave a comment below, and my heart just warms when I hear good things about Jamaicans. So big up on yourself. See you in the next video.
Me get them heart attack in my altar back, enough style we have them can't alter that. Me start a track and me start attack. So what am I gonna do right after that? Me only spit lyrics, not really talk a lot, and no touchdown like quarterback farm account. Or the money give me half of that. Me coulda do it for the hype, but me rather not. It give me joy for right on beat, lay down like white line on street. Music sweet, I just like one treat. Drop it hotter than island heat. Yeah, me with the island floor.